A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Guys, so the other day I couldn't help myself. I was at where was I? Home Depot, and I saw these candy canes, which is so much more robust than the one I have. So I'm wondering why. Of course, from Home Depot, they're always very overwatered, so I'm thinking that's probably why, but maybe I wasn't watering mine enough. So anyway, I got it. Of course, I couldn't help it. So now I'm going to repot it into this pot. Looks so pretty. Yeah, and so that's what happened. I was carrying this guy around with me in the car. Oh my gosh, guys, look at what's happening here. This is the Butterfield, Harry Butterfield, and I just pulled out some leaves because I repotted the Harry Butterfield, and look what's going on here. I've been neglectful for a couple days. This is Blue's Treats right here, and here, look at this one. Look at that guy right there. Isn't that funny? I just left them here and they're propagating. You shouldn't really, you know, worry too much about propagation. I mean, I wasn't even spritzing it with water or anything like that. It's just hot in here in the garage. This is I think this is a chameleon. I don't see any. Yeah, there's a little root there. There we go. See the little root right there? Yeah, so I'm gonna plant this with something. It's so funny because I wasn't even paying attention. This one is the nodulosa, no? Tsunami. See, I wrote it. Yeah, I wrote it down because I know I would forget. So this is just my crazy ways. Ignoring propagation. This one I just put in there. Have the little leaves right there. Oops, there's some more leaves falling off of this thing. I have roots coming out everywhere, and it's been just sitting there for about a couple weeks. And then here I just spritz this whole cup full of just leaves, you know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet because I don't really like to put it in a pot. Maybe I will, maybe I won't, but maybe I'll just put them in the ground just like the rest. I'm getting lazy. I just get lazy. So yeah, this is the Darlie Sunshine. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful plant. It turns bluish type or grayish type. Yeah, that's it. These ones I still gotta do something, repot, whatever. That's why I got some. Oh, Osh closed down the other day, and they're selling their pots for like 10% off, and these are like $2 pots that I got for $1.80. So I got a lot of those. Yeah. These Haworthias, or is this an aloe? I don't know. Haworthias. These are Haworthias. I'm going to use, instead of using cactus mix on its own, I'm going to add some horticultural sand to it. because I just feel like these are desert, like real desert plants that don't really like a whole bunch of moisture. So the faster it drains, the better it is for these plants. So that's just an experiment, because I'm just putting them all in this planter right here, this my square planter. This is getting too big for its home right now. And I think that they should just be all together. And then this one is this, I don't know, it's getting really dry, and I'm not sure why, because I watered it. And these Haworthias too, so we'll see how they thrive. I think they're gonna, to begin with, they're gonna thrive in this weather, the fall weather anyway, so we'll see next summer how they act. Some of these Vera Higgins that I just put on the paper plate with paper towel underneath it, and I don't know, it was just sitting in my kitchen, and after a while I just removed it and put it outside, under not direct sun but shade kind of, and this is 2 months later and they're just like prolific. So what's happening right now is that I'm gonna put it, repot it, put it in a pot, and add this one cutting of the Darlie Sunshine, because look at the pretty contrast. Isn't that pretty? The contrast after it gets mature and they're all together living in one pot, one planter. It's gonna be so pretty. Whoa, yeah, it's pretty. Ready to grow, ready to spread their wings. Now these right here are the Haworthias. We are in Calistoga, yay, in the van. Look at this beauty. Ace Hardware in Calistoga. Checking out to see if they have any succulents. They have really nice garden
And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Share, share, share. Thank you. XOXO. Bye.